my God, that's such a gambler. That's a professionally gambled question. If this student got a 1, that's also genius. That's genius.
Genius.
Whoever you are. Hey guys, this is Roman, aka GOTHAM Math. What you're about to see is a 5th grade tutoring session of mine with one of my students. If you're learning 5th grade math or you're interested in learning 5th grade math, this class is going to be very, very useful for you. Now, before we start, I wanted to say that I'm giving away one free online tutoring session with myself if you can guess what it says on my hoodie after the word mine. Math is mine. What? So comment below and whoever guesses it right gets a session. Having said that, let's go. I swear, if you did not get this right, I don't know.
I'm gonna crash out.
Okay. So what are we doing? So you decided to add on an extra.
Yeah, the whole thing.
Yeah.
And then divide it.
Like that. That's what you did, right? So length times width times height in that case would be 5
times 6
times 6 times 12. Okay.
Yay. Ha ha ha.
So it's going to be what? 30 times 12, 360, right?
360, no,
Minus
96.
this length times width times height here, right? So this will be,
96?
what is this?
That's what? That's the key.
Yeah, the whole thing was 5. The little thing is 2, right? So this will be 3. So it's 3 times this, which is 8 times 6, which is 24.
96.
No.
Yeah.
No.
48
Times 3. It's 120 and 24. 144. So far, he's not getting a single question correct.
I'm tired.
No. The excuses don't work here.
I know.
Yeah, 216.
What's CM3?
It's, well, in this case, they probably just split. Most of the people will just split. Split in 2. Okay, yeah, calculate this piece and that piece, and then just add the results. Okay, split. Split. That's 1 out of 2. What is that? That's just maybe, like, you would get 1. That's what you would have gotten, yeah. But
why is it from being 96? That's insane.
just people miscalculating a little bit.
I miscalculated.
Nothing really interesting here. What is that? The total volume of the figure is 264 cubic centimeters. You're pretty close. Why is that 9, just by the way?
That's supposed to be a 9.
No. 360. You do minus 9 is...
Mathing isn't mathing.
Yeah. Like, you can...
Math in 3 months.
Yeah.
And I'm having crashes.
No. That's... those excuses don't work.
No, I'm actually serious.
All right, so the next one... 42. Let's see.
42.
Let's see what you answer. So a teacher was writes an equation 6 times 3/3 equals 6 on the board. A student says that the equation wrong because the multiplying 6 by a fraction results in the product is less than 6. Is the student correct?
I have my answer.
The student is wrong because 6 times 3/3 is 18/3, which is 6.
That's
Okay, I guess this is the first question that you would get 2 out of 2.
No.
But to be honest with you, that's not a hard question.
It's exactly.
The student is incorrect.
If I get
When multiplying 6 by a fraction less than 1, the product is less than 6. When you multiply 6 by a fraction that is equal to 1, the answer is 6. Very good.
If I get these other 3 questions correct.
No, no, the student is incorrect. 3/3 is equal to 1. 6 times 1. 1 times 6 is 6. That's good. I like this.
No.
The student is correct because 18/3 is equal to 6.
I
That's
like
also
that.
2.
I like that. I like that.
3 times 3 is 1. 6 times 3/3 is 1. Just should have written 6. Okay. 3/3 equals 1. 1 times 6 is 6. Yeah.
6.
What's wrong with that? No explanation, right?
No. Look at this. 1 and 1.
No, that's good.
That's 1.
3/3 is 1.
Isn't that 11?
No, and then 1 times 6 is 6. It's just when they say explain your answer, you actually need to write some words. You need to explain your answer. So please, don't forget to write some words. It's not that hard.
So you just write this because then you write the equation.
Especially when you know how to do the question right, just to write it, how you got it. Don't be lazy. Yeah, especially, why would you lose some points because you what? Because you're lazy to write?
No.
Because you're lazy? Because
I'm
you're
very tired. And
because you're lazy.
I woke up at 5 a.m. every day.
No.
5 a.m. every day.
There's no real justification to get this wrong and lose the points because you forgot or was lazy enough to not write not to explain your answer.
Dang, that's insane. But let's
No,
continue.
because 3/3 equals to 1. That's also lazy. That's lazy.
This time
Because and now just write 1 times 6 equals 6, and maybe
think
that would be a
I'm
2.
right now.
Maybe you would have gotten.
I think he just finished that at the last second.
I don't understand students who are like willing to lose points just because they're like unwilling to write a couple of extra things.
Maybe
Well, now this student likes writing extra things. Just didn't get it right at all. So the answer is 7 because you have to multiply 6 over 1 times 3/3. So you have to do 3 times 1, which is 3. So that 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 3 is 9. What the hell? 9/3 plus 18 is what? 27 divided by 3 is 7, which is wrong because it's 9. And why would you add if it says the teacher writes multiplication? This is completely wrong. What you could have gotten, just like not write that, just write 18/3 here and get 6, and that would be the correct answer. Yes, I think the student is correct because multiplying 6 by a fraction results in a product that is less than 6. Oh my God, that's such a gambler. This student is a future gambler. I know that because if you don't know how to answer it right and you didn't know that the student was incorrect, you could actually say that the student was correct and just repeat what the student said. And
That's
technically,
gambling.
if that would be the right answer, you would have gotten 2 out of 2. That's a future gambler, guys. I'm telling you. That's a professionally gambled question. You know.
Yeah, man.
All right. Next question.
Let's stop talking.
Let's see what Metis got. Metis got 1 3/4. Let's see if he's correct. What is the difference in yards between the longest and the shortest? Okay, what's the longest? 11.5. Is that correct?
Da.
What is the shortest? 9 3/4. Is that right? Yes. Let's subtract.
No.
Okay, stop.
Yeah.
11 minus 9 is 2. Now we have to do 1/2 minus 3/4. Although we can do 1/2 minus 3/4.
It's 1 point away.
We have to borrow. But we're gonna borrow after we're gonna make them common denominators. So let's make this into 2/4 minus 3/4. Now let's borrow from the 2. 2 will become 1. And now we're gonna add 4 here. It's going to be 6/4. So it's gonna be 6/4 minus 3/4, which is 3/4. And then we put it next to our 1 and we get 1 3/4. That's the answer. I think you got it right. I don't know what you were whining about.
It's not right. I can tell you why.
Yeah, it is.
Wait, it is?
Yes. What, you were doubting me?
No, because I thought it was 3/4. And 4 plus 3 is...
Okay. Calm down. All right, so this is just
Definitely did something wrong because I wrote 2/4. That's insane.
But 2/4 is 1/2.
No.
Yes. So 11.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Get the wrong thing.
Okay.
Oh, don't
You see? 11 and 2/4 minus 9 and 3/4 is 1 and 3/4.
Happiness.
Well, if this student got a 1, that's also genius. You know why? Oh my God. It's, look at this.
Gambler.
No, that's not gambling, but I love it. Let's say, well, that's what I want. That's what I want my students to have in them. When you don't know how to do it, it doesn't mean it's over. It doesn't mean that. What it means is that you can still, like, obviously they say, what is the difference between longest and the shortest, right? So you know that you have to subtract, but you just don't know how to. But if you just write it that you have to subtract and get it right the answer, you get half. That's what it means to get everything out of a situation. Even if you don't know how to do something, show your work, show that you at least, I don't know, somehow understand the problem, and maybe you'll get a 1. That's genius.
Genius.
Whoever you are. All right. So this is not good because why 11?
Why?
I mean, because this student thought that the more X's means the longest.
No, that's a smart way to think of.
No.
You don't want that.
That's just the other way around.
Wait, how's that wrong? What?
Well, you're just a how would I say, like a regular American student who doesn't know that 9 and 3/4 cannot be the first. It's longest minus shortest, not shortest minus longest. It has to be the other way around. It has to be 11.5 minus 9 and 3/4.
Mind control.
And look at this. The answer is also right, even though there's no work. But the answer.
Mind controlling.
I like that arrow. How is 3/4 is 6/1?
No, I think that's 6/2.
It's just. Look at this. If this student would be smart enough to just put this in the right order, right? And leave it like that,
You could have got a point.
you get a 1.
And got
Just,
the right answer.
so if you don't know, just don't do it.
Just don't do it. Don't do it.
Division, that's not even close. All right.
No, but how did you guess 0 if you guessed that?
Oh, hold on one second.
What?
Oh, cheating alert. Again, cheating alert, because clear cheating. Because we know that 9 and 3/4 divided by 11 is not 1 and 3/4, although 1 and 3/4 is the correct answer. What does that mean?
Cheetah, 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 little.
Yes, we got a cheetah.
First time.
Hold on. How do I draw a cheetah?
What the hell?
A little leopard marks, no?
Freckle. He looks exact. Oh, I thought that was the person.
No, it's a cheetah.
Oh, come on. I wanted it.
Cheetah.
Cheetah.
Cheetah. All right. So obviously we know that you cheated.
You don't have to.
You didn't put the right ones in. I don't even know how. But you just didn't know what what happens when
what is it called? Class clown that does it. The class clown that did this. You got the numbers. You got the numbers, and then look. Oh, he has the right answer. He has an answer. Let me get that one. Shh. And then put it in. You have to do that and write difference just to clarify that he's not a cheater, and he is.
And the words. Look at the words. The difference is.
That makes it so you're cheetah.
Yeah.
Cheetah. Oh,
all right.
This question is very fun.
Okay, so another question.
What?
Hold on. Did we do this? Oh, we did this, right?
This is the answer.
This is the last one? That's the last one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So John is training for a race. The number of miles he runs each month for 3 months is shown below. Joshua runs 12 and 35 miles in March. Josh runs 3 times as many miles in April as in March. Josh runs 43.1 more miles in May than he ran in March. What is the total amount? Okay, so that's pretty easy. We're gonna start like that. I like writing it down like that, like March, right? 12.
June,
Now we're gonna have to do April.
May.
April was what? 3 times as many. So this times 3. Is that right?
Yeah, that's 3705.
Can we believe you though? 90. Yes, it is 3705.
We believe me. Let's go.
All right, and May
it's 55.
43 more than in March.
55.45. Trust me.
Yes, it
Sure.
is
That's the
55.45.
process.
And now 5
104,
1 8
104.
9 4 1 3 4 5 10 104. You got it right.
That means they
Okay.
got 3 out of 2 questions right. That means.
Is that a 3-point question though?
Is it?
It is. Okay.
So it's.
Surprisingly
So I
easy.
lost 4 points, and I got 3, and I got. And
Just
I
ran
got
104.85. Somehow this is also right. Can we spot? Maybe we can find another cheater.
another what?
Cheater.
Oh.
Let's
He
see.
probably is here.
124.85.
Wait, where's the gambler?
First, finally, then. Okay. No. 581. Surprisingly, 2 out of 3, right? Multiplied. Oh, you had to multiply here. You didn't have to. You had to add here,
That's
and then you added it. Nah. Yeah. Why would you multiply? Times plus something is missing. Whatever.
Wait, I know what's missing.
April,
One
May
thing.
total. Okay.
The 12
April,
What?
May.
That question, it had the 12 and 3/4 missing. The itself, the 12 and 3/4 missing.
You
That
see,
was-
sometimes
when
people
when you rush
yeah.
too much, and you
It
know
says 43 more miles in May than he ran in March, and this student thought that it's going to be more than in April. That's why added 37 and 43 instead of adding 37
Either way, it would
and
have been more
and
in
12.
April. Either way, it would have been more.
That actually deserves more like a 2 than a 3, but it's
And the
okay.
other person gets a 1 in.
Okay, 1,
You just got a nice one. Here you go.
58 in total.
Bruh.
That doesn't
You
even.
could have just wrote a sentence and you would got credit for that. Like the gamble.
No. Okay.
That is a cheating one, right?
Okay, that's a cheater. That is a
You
cheater.
know how? So it's the same class clown probably. He goes, oh, I don't know this question. So you go inside and look. Oh, he has a 104.
And
He
you
doesn't
know-
look at the other stuff.
You know what the students, you know what this kind of like, how do the students then defend their answers? I did it in my hand. I did it in my hand. Like you copy, like they copy it first, right? They copy the right answer, absolutely no work, and then they claim that they did everything in their head, which obviously is impossible. I mean,
it's possible.
it's possible, obviously, but not in 5th grade.
No, it's possible.
Really? You're gonna multiply and add everything and keep everything in mind?
Sure.
No.
It's hard.
I can give you 10 problems like that. You won't be able to do it like as a
Okay,
mental
give me
math.
one.
I will. We'll see. But the idea is that you cannot just put the right answer. Don't do it. You know,
Or he
it's
says,
like
I drew in my in the paper that they give, like
oh yeah. I did on scrap paper. I did my work on the scrap paper. I
And
didn't put
then-
everything.
I did my work in the scrap that paper, but someone threw it out.
Yeah, yeah.
But then that doesn't matter.
My dog ate my work. How about that?
No,
I
but
did
the dog
everything.
can't eat the way because the same test is in school.
Yes, but I'm just saying, like, my dog ate my work. I got it right.
But my dog.
But I got it right though.
But my dog.
But I got it right. That's what they say. I got it right. I'm supposed to get 3 out of 3. No mistake.
You're supposed to get 1 or 2 out.
Obviously.
Oh, perfect. Obvious. Let's go.
And it's the last one. Obviously, the cheater is always the last. All right. That will be it.
Skablam.